I will talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Goodnovel app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on profile down here, just click on it. So when you just click here on profile, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, you just click here on settings here. So then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on push management, just click on it here. So then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Come here to shoppers updated. Click in this sign of this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean chapters updates disable with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you are get it. That's all. So thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.